Hey everybody, this is Tim. I'm back again. Today is October 22nd, 2015, and this is October's Loot Crate. It's still sealed, hasn't been opened, so I'm gonna open it for you guys. And yes, these are Cutco, if anybody knows that. So, here we go. First thing you see is Dr. Brown. Great Scott! It's Back to the Future. It was Back to the Future Day. So, that's pretty cool. Next is what looks to be a t-shirt. And there's a defect. Oh, it's torn. Oh well. Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure. If you can see that. That's pretty cool. Set that to the side. Next, it looks like a hoverboard. It is. It's a replica of a hoverboard. And it has a ticket of authenticity. Keep that there. And there you go. That's pretty cool. Put that back in before I put it away. Don't want to lose any pieces. These seem more like collectibles than toys you play with, but that's just me. The Loot Crate pen. That's pretty cool. This is a book that shows everything that you get. Out of Time. Too bad that's not a real license plate. And what looks to be one more thing. Oh, his Sonic Spork from Doctor Who. Everybody should know what that is. But if not, I'll show you anyways. Right there. And that's the inside of the box for anybody that cannot see. Let me move everything out of the way. Right there. Alright, well that was October's Loot Crate unboxing. I hope you all enjoyed it, and there will be more videos to come. Have a good day.